Hello everyone, welcome to our educational channel, and as all we know that new session has been started, that is from April 2022. Education is the all-round development of the student. There is a space-setting institute between the school and the co-curricular activities. School takes care of developing the personality of the student. School has taught that every power is with them. They can do anything, they can do anything. That's why school preparing for the competitive exams such as Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sainik School as well as NTSC exams. And every Saturday there is an activity, and by these activities students preparing for the competitive exams, and by these activities there is an all-round development of the student. They physically grow, socially grow, and as well as they mentally grow. And when they physically, mentally and socially grow, after that there is an all-round development of each and every student. And our main motto is to participate each and every student in these activities. So under my supervision or under my guidance, our dedicated and devoted staff do a lot of hard work for the welfare of the students, and they're preparing for the arithmetic mean, mental ability as well as other topics for the welfare of the student. And for a long time our many students clearing the competitive exams, and there is no hard work for the substitute. No doubt you are working hard. There is no substitute for the hard work. So let us start with our video that is conducted by our dedicated and devoted staff for the welfare of the student under my supervision or under my guidance. So let us start with our video.
Class,
Good morning, ma'am.
how are you all?
I am fine, ma'am.
Once again, Shivaji School welcome all of you in Saturday activity. Every Saturday, Shivaji School organize a activity which is very useful for the students. Today's Saturday activity. Do you know the topic of today's activities? If you know the topic names, raise your hands. Yes, Ridhima Thakur. Rhyming word. Sit down. Do you heard the word of rhyming words before it? Do you heard the word of rhyming words? Rhymings. What is the meaning of rhymings? Yes, Manav, stand up. Similar words. Rhyming means similar words. Very good. We have seen a lack of grammar and vocabulary among the students during the lockdown. So, under the supervision and guidance of our principal ma'am, Shivaji School staff conduct an activity every Saturday. Rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that have the same sound at the end. So, students, we can say that our RT students make different types of charts concerning to rhyming words. They were coming one by one and explain the topic of rhyming words, and you can make the sentence related to these rhyming words. Okay? Okay, there is a chart. It is made by Saksham. Saksham, explain your chart. Yes, yes. Yes, rhyming words are those words that have the same sound at the end. In the chart, what do you make? What is this? Please explain your chart. Other examples of rhyming words? Give some example of IG, ig. Related to. Yes? Yes? big. Make a sentence. Chandigarh is a very good. Clapping for Saksham. This is your chart. Rhyming words. Explain your chart.
Words have
Same.
same sound at the end.
Okay. Give some example of the sound of O W.
Cow and house.
Very good. Make a sentence of cow.
I am a cow.
Very good. Clapping for Kanika. So there is another chart, very beautiful chart made by Ishika. Yes, beta. Give me some example of the sound of I G. Okay, I G. E. Yes. Dig. Make a sentence of big.
Chandigarh is a big city.
Chandigarh is a. Yes, clapping for Ishika. This is very beautiful chart made by Palvi. So Palvi, give me some rhyming words. The sound of at, at, cat and rat. Make a sentence of the rhyming words of rat. Very good. So there is a beautiful tree made by Harsh Tripathi. Yes, Harsh, you are coming from another school. Can you tell me something about the Shivali school?
Yes, मैं इससे पहले अनदर स्कूल में पढ़ता था, अनदर गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में पढ़ता था। अब मेरा एडमिशन शिवालिक स्कूल में हुआ है। यहाँ हर सैटरडे एक्टिविटीज होती है, इसमें बहुत मजा आता है और चार्ट भी बनवाए जाते हैं। शिवालिक स्कूल इज द बेस्ट स्कूल।
Okay, explain your chart. There is some examples of rhyming words. Give me some the sound of ing, ing. Yes. Some words. हाँ, king.
King sing,
हाँ, wing. है ना? Okay. Make a sentence of sing.
I sing
Song. Very good. Clapping for Harsh Tripathi. Okay, Sushain and Sachin is here. UT sound of hut but cut. Make a sentence of hut. I like. Yes, there is another chart made by Arush Chandel. Yes, Arush Chandel. What do you want to say about Shivali School? Because he is studying before it in DAV Ambota. Yes. Can you tell me anything about the Shivali School?
My name is Arush Chandel. मैं पहले स्कूल में पढ़ता था, लेकिन बाद में मैं शिवालिक स्कूल में आ गया। यहाँ पर हर सैटरडे एक एक्टिविटी होती है और इस एक्टिविटी से हम बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, लेकिन डीएवी स्कूल में एक्टिविटी नहीं होती। मैं यहाँ पर एडमिशन पाकर बहुत खुश हूँ और शिवालिक स्कूल में बस।
Okay, explain your chart now. Give some example of rhyming words. AP, the sound of AP. App. Yes. Yes. Make a sentence of cap. I have a cap. Very good. Yes, Arushi Sharma. Explain your chart.
Rhyming words are words that have the same sound at the end.
Okay, the sound of AY.
They
A.
play, sing,
Day, play,
sing.
say. Make a sentence of any of these day.
I have a nice day. Sorry, have a nice day.
Okay. So next student is Nilaksh Rana is here. This is his chart. Yes, beta. Give some example of rhyming words. The sound of at, at.
Cat, rat, mat, bat.
Make a sentence of any of these rat.
There are many rats in the world.
Okay, very good. There is another chart made by Anish Rehal. Very different chart. Yes, Anish, what do you want to say about your chart? Yes? Yes. Make a rhyming words. जोर से. Yes. Yes. Cow and no. Very good. Give some example of at sound. Huh? So these are chart of 7th class. Well done. So there is another chart of 7th class made by Ridhima Thakur. Yes, Ridhima. Explain your chart.
Rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that have the same sound at the end.
Achha, what do you make? Explain your chart now. Yes.
Ran.
Another example of rhyming words.
Place, face, and race.
Place, face and race. Make a sentence of race.
I have a win race.
I win the.
Race. Good.
Make a sentence of good.
Ram is a good boy.
Ram is a.
Good boy.
Okay, concept is clear.
Yes.
Okay, go. Yes, Mahi. This is another chart made by Mahi Chauhan. Okay, Mahi, explain your chart. Give some examples of rhyming words. Beautiful chart made by Mahi. Yes. Yes, there is example of double O and oon. And sound comes from moon, soon and spoon. Okay, give some example of make a sentence of moon. Moon is very. Okay, very good. So there is Akansha. This is your chart. Rhyming words. Yes, beta. Explain your chart. Rhyming words.
Rhyming words are words that have the same at the
Sound at the.
end.
Okay, same sound. Okay, beta. Same sound. O W. Give some rhyming words. Letter to O W. Yes. How, cow, and other. Now. Okay, make a sentence of how. How are you? Clapping for Akansha. Yes, Nandini is here. This is a chart made by Nandini. Okay, beta. Give some example of rhyming words. The sound of A-T, at. Cat, mat, rat,